Hey, good morning. It's Greg Luther. Listen, we are currently live at the Realtor Expo in California. As you can see around me here, there's lots of booths everywhere. Just getting ready to get started, and we are focused here at this event on luxury real estate. If you're a real estate agent that you've been looking at breaking into that luxury real estate market, you really want to think about how can you do that in a cost-effective way. Actually, you might be able to see over there, that's our booth for Premier Luxury Marketing Consultants. And there's Justice. Say hi, Justice. That's our booth way over, if I can do it, right over there, on how you can break into the luxury real estate market and get your first buyers and sellers within the next 72 hours. So there's supposed to be 8,000 realtors here today. Again, it's still early being out in California. It's 8:40, so we're 20 minutes from opening up. But for agents that are looking to break into that luxury market, a lot of times we get intimidated by that, right? What if they ask us if we've ever sold real estate in that higher price range before? What I'm doing is I'm doing a live training event next Thursday on how to break into the luxury real estate market. You'll probably see a link somewhere in the description here. It's wealthyagentblueprint.com. You can register for that training, and I'm going to be showing everybody real world examples. We got over 6,000 realtors here, and there's doing some guest speaking and stuff like that to talk a little bit about how you break into that luxury market. Again, I know there's a lot of concerns with how do I do it on a shoestring budget? What if the seller's asking me if I've ever done this before? Do I really want to work in that $1 million price range where they take a little longer to sell? I don't recommend getting into that upper echelon, the ultra affluent market, but definitely double your median price range or triple your median price range. You make a lot more money by doing that. So I'm going to come back at you here again with another live today. I'll probably be a lot more tired than I am right now because we're going to have 6,000 people to talk to here. But I want you to think about breaking into that luxury market and what a couple of those commission checks would do for you. You don't need a whole lot of luxury commission checks to fix your current situation. So again, this Thursday, we're going to be doing a webinar training. You can go to wealthyagentblueprint.com and get registered for that. We will have a lot of people on there. It's going to max at 1,000 attendees. I'm doing it this Thursday and next Thursday, but there's going to be tons of people here. So again, live from the California Realtor Expo. We are in Los Angeles. This is at the LA Convention Center. And that webinar coming up Thursday, it's going to be a barn burner. It's going to be a big one. I think you'll be very impressed. So start thinking about your luxury real estate market. Again, we'll talk a little bit about on that call. We'll talk about how to do it and specific approaches you can use, but also who you should be working with and who you should not be working with. If you can get a $10, $12 million listing in your area, I recommend you not take it because that thing's never going to sell, right? So more to come here a little later today. Get yourself registered, wealthyagentblueprint.com. Go out there and sell some houses today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.